So today we'll discuss on Playwright for Python. So what is Playwright and how we can use with Python? So a Playwright is an open source browser automation framework built by Microsoft, designed for reliable, fast, and comprehensive end-to-end web testing. What is a Playwright? First of all, we'll understand. Playwright is a modern open source automation tool developed by Microsoft specifically for web browser testing. It is designed to allow developers and testers to automate modern web browsers and perform comprehensive end-to-end testing of web applications. Beyond standard UI automation, it includes built-in API testing capabilities and is available as a library for multiple languages including Python. So it supports multiple language support like Python, JavaScript, Java and C Sharp. So one of the key features for modern automation is Playwright. It is built to handle the complexities of modern web development with the following features. Cross capability, cross browser and cross perform by design. It works unified API that works across Chromium, Firefox, WebKit and all other major OS like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Automatic waiting and parallel execution. So no more flaky tests. Flaky test means suppose in some other language like Selenium, if one time the code might run successfully, but in the next run the code might fail. So there will be an inconsistency in the execution of the program in terms of Selenium. So that kind of issues will not find in our Playwright. Next, parallel execution. To save time, Playwright can run multiple tests simultaneously, allowing for much faster execution of large test suites. Advanced debugging tool, Playwright Inspector, a tool that allows you to debug tests visually by highlighting click points and verifying locators in real time. Next is CodeGen, which is a code generation. This tool records your manual actions in the browser and automatically generates the test script in your chosen language such as Python. Next is Trace Viewer. This captures a trace of the test including screenshots, videos and step-by-step logs. Make it easy to investigate why a test failed after the fact. Next, testing capabilities. Playwright goes beyond simple browser clicks to offer a full suite of testing possibilities. One is mobile web testing. You can simulate mobile devices like iPhones or Androids to see how your site performs on different screen sizes and browsers. Next, API testing. It includes built-in functionality to test backend services directly. allowing you to validate data without always going through the UI. Next, handling complex elements. It is designed to interact with difficult web components such as those hidden with a shadow DOM. Next, rich reporting or flexible reporting. It comes with built-in reporters like HTML, JSON, JUnit, and supports third-party tools like Azure for professional-grade reporting. Why use Playwright with Python? Why Python? For students and professionals, pairing Playwright with Python offers several strategic advantages. Is easy to learn. Python is known for its simple syntax and beginner-friendly structure, making it the ideal choice for those new to automation. Next, market opportunity. While Python is highly popular, there is currently less competition in the test automation market compared to Java or JavaScript, leading to more job opportunities. Industry adoption. It is widely used in startups, AI-driven firms, and data-focused companies because Python integrates seamlessly with tools for machine learning and data science. Future proof skills. As testing moves towards AI-powered automation, Python's role is growing, and Playwright's official documentation and community support for Python are robust and helpful. The Playwright workflow. Write, record, execute, and debug. This is the Playwright workflow. Start automating with Playwright. Playwright combines Microsoft backed reliability, cross browser coverage, and Python's approachability into a single production ready framework. Whether you are reducing flaky tests, accelerating CA pipelines, or building a career in automation, Playwrights give you the tools to do it right. As we discussed, it is a cross browser, supports Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit, which is fast and reliable by having auto wait and parallel execution. Python first, as it is beginner friendly and career ready. Debugger, inspector, codegen, and trace viewer. So this is about the Playwright intro part. We'll discuss Python programming basics. Python programming basics. So before starting any automation framework, we should need to know one thing, that Python programming concepts is used in a programming language as a base. Why we'll use Python means, as it is a high level and general purpose programming language. It is an open source language. It is a platform independent. That means if you write in anywhere, if you write in one system, we can run it across multiple systems. So that is the advantage of using Python. So where we'll use this Python means, Let me write before starting any automation, framework, we should need to know the concepts of Python programming language. As Python is a high level general purpose programming language which is easy to learn, easy to learn and use. Python is an open source language. It is a platform independent. So we'll read here some few examples like where we'll use Python, where we can use Python. So we can use Python in web development, web development, let me write here on bullet points. Web development such as social media, e-commerce, websites, etc. Next, we will use in data science and analytics. Analytics. Will mostly these days we are using in machine learning and artificial intelligence. And automation in scripting will be using automation scripting. So our course is mainly focused on automation scripting part. So in game development, desktop applications, like Internet of Things also will be using. And also will be using cyber security and ethical hacking. And we'll be using in cloud and DevOps also. Cloud and DevOps like AWS, Azure, and GCP, etc. GCP pipelines. So these are the some examples where we'll use the Python language in our real time. Okay, so if you compare Java and Python, which is the oldest language means Python is the oldest language, but it has become popular in the past in the recent years. But it has already implemented in 60s and 70s only. But it became popular in from the past few latest years. Java became popular from 80s on from 80s onward. Okay, this is the main thing. Okay, these are the areas where we're using the Python language. So mostly if we consider this, mostly in all the latest applications and the latest technologies, Python is widely used. Now next is the prerequisites to run Python in our system. First we have to install Python software, and then we have to install PyCharm ID or editor. ID means integrated development environment. It is like a platform where we'll build our Python code and we'll execute it. So this is the prerequisites we need to work in our system by using Python. First we have to install Python software and then we have to install PyCharm. Now I will show you. First we have to see whether in our system Python is there or not. In order to know the Python whether it is existed or not, minus version Python hyphen version. So this is the Python version currently I'm running, which is running in our main machine. Now for demonstration purpose, let me install the Python. Control panel. Go to control panel. Uninstall program. Here we'll find somewhere Python. See here, yeah, we got it. We'll uninstall the Python. Right click, uninstall. After installing, I will show you freshly how to install the Python in our machine. It will take some couple of time to uninstall. And one more thing, like we'll say here PyCharm. We'll install PyCharm community version. Why? Because PyCharm is it's a paid tool. So if you use community edition, we'll get, many features. That is the only difference. Whereas we can use only community edition. Why? Because it is not paid. The other PyCharm related tools are paid. It will take some time to uninstall the Python. Yeah, uninstall the successful close, and then let me uninstall this also, Python launcher. Okay, now we'll see whether in our system Python is successfully uninstalled or not. Python minus version. Yes, Python is not there in our machine. Now what we'll do, we'll go to Chrome, open new tab and type here download Python. So the current latest version is Python 3.14.4. So this is the latest version. We'll download the latest version. Okay. So Python for Windows. Here it is there. For there is for Linux or Unix and Mac OS also. And my machine is as it is Windows. So I will download for Windows. Okay, let's go to Windows and I will download. Let me download latest Python 3 releases, Python 3.14.4. Let me download this. Or let me a little bit one version older. I will download. So I will download this one. Windows. Download Python install manager for Windows. Let me download it. Better will download the latest version only. Download Python install manager. Standalone install. Okay, we'll use this. A Python file is getting downloaded. So system automatically detected the Windows version. So I'll get like this. Now we'll open the Python, right click, run as an administrator, click on S. Yeah, here you keep in mind, first we have to download. If we get this page, always check these two, use admin privileges when install py.exe and adding python exe to path for compilation and execution purpose. These two are much more important. And then click on install now. It will take some time to install. It will take some time. Yeah, it is about to complete. It will say setup was successful. We'll wait for that successful message. Yeah, setup was successful. Now if you close this, now I'll try to open Python in the command line. Whether the correct it is correctly installed or not, we'll check. Command line, same Python, minus version. Yeah, our Python got successfully installed. Suppose if you already having Python means you upgraded to latest version so that we all will be in one path. Now next what we'll see, we have verified the installation of Python. Next we'll try to download PyCharm now. So we'll use the community edition of PyCharm from this link. So click on this link and go here. It's downloading. Why? Because this we need only community edition because that only supports the free type. So the rest of the PyCharm is those models are paid models actually. So let it download. I will share this link in the description below. It's about to finish in a couple of seconds. Just open the folder. So we have downloaded the Python community 2025.2. So right click, run as administrator. Just click on this. Just click on next. Next. And here we have to select PyCharm community edition and add bin folder to the path. So this will create the library files in the path. And click on next. And click on install. So once it is installed, just go to C program, go to automation. Here I have created one Python Playwright folder name. Just create on that folder. I'm removing the past ones. Okay, now Python Playwright. Now let me delete one once. Let me create one more time. New Python Playwright. We'll use this folder for writing our Python programs. It will take some time to load the execution. Okay, so click on finish. Once it is done, just close this and go to our file where it got installed. See, PyCharm community got installed. Click on this. I confirm that I have read and accept the terms of the user agreement and click on continue. And after that, escape import. Next, we'll create new project. New project. Now let's choose the path. Just browse it. Go to C, automation. This is the Python playwright which we have created recently. Select this folder. Okay. And Python version it has already taken from the environment path. So we don't need to give default. Already PyCharm has taken the installation of Python 3.14. Next, create. Okay. Before starting the Python, I want you to show one thing. Just go to here, click on this 4 lines, file, settings, appearance. Here theme I have used dark, but you can change it to light. Okay, so like this we can change the appearance. And I'm putting it dark only. So click on OK. Okay. This is how today we have discussed on the Python programming basics, like and we have discussed like where we can use Python and what are the prerequisites to run. Before running Python, what are the softwares we have to install? That is one Python software, and after installing Python, then we have to install PyCharm. That too community edition with this link. I will share the Python link as well as this community edition in the description below.